This episode of the Daily Boost, the podcast that I've been doing every single day in 2021, is a little bit more commentary, a little bit more opinion, but it's something that I am noticing more and more and more. And I think it's important to share with you so you can pivot and you can make your own opinion, but also as well, get ready. And we're talking about Airbnb. And this is why I think Airbnb are going to win in the battle of the OTAs. And when I say OTAs, it's online travel agents. And one of the reasons why they're going to win is that they have created their own word. They've created their own descriptive for a short-term rental. And the best examples that I can give you on this is it's not a vacuum cleaner, it's a Hoover. It's not a fizzy beverage, it's a Coke. So go get me a Coke or go get the Hoover. And what I notice more and more and more now, and I notice this when my friends are speaking, when I see it on social media, when I just see people talking, etc. online, it's I've got an Airbnb sorted. I'm staying in an Airbnb. It's not I'm staying in a short-term rental accommodation. It's not that I'm staying in an apartment. I'm staying in an Airbnb, and that is the terminology. And that's what I've used it. My wife's used it. My family used it. My friends use it. And this is why they're going to win, is because instantly, when somebody mentions about booking something that's not a hotel, the instant word and the instant phrase that they go to is, I'll just get an Airbnb. It's like, I'm not going to get a taxi, I'll get an Uber. That's why they're going to win. So what does this mean for you, dear host, when this is a podcast all about direct bookings? Well, what it means is that you need to be listed on there. And even if you're a bed and breakfast, you can get listed on there. Obviously, they acquired hotels tonight, and they are looking to now connect via API, a two-way connection into all of the big PMSs. They're looking to do this to make sure that they can win. So not only are they able to get short stay accommodation, vacation rentals, whatever you want to call it on there, but they want bed and breakfast, glamping sites, they want everything. They have now become the unofficial largest RV travel agent around campervan, etc., because of people listing their RVs and their campervans on there. They want to become everything. So you've got to make sure you've got a listing and a presence on there. Now, obviously, I teach you how to make sure that it's not the be all and end all, because the biggest problem with Airbnb and with Airbnb hosts is that you over rely on one platform. Don't get me wrong, you can make a successful business from doing it, but you always run the risk. When you put 100% or 95% of your whole business income onto one platform, then there could be problems down the line. And I've talked about these plenty. I don't need to go into here, but you need to get listed on there. And then delve back into Boostly, come to boostly.co.uk, find out how to turn an OTA booking into a direct booking and how you can take advantage of being listed on these platforms, make them work for you. But this is just like my commentary on this. Is just my opinion. As always, I love to pass it on to you, dear host who's watching this. What do you think? Do you say the same thing, book an Airbnb? Do your friends, do your family, do you see people online talking about it? Or do you see it from a different angle? I'd love to get more opinions and a breakdown on this. So as always, I pass this to you in the comment section, or you can email me or send me an Instagram DM or reach out on LinkedIn DM. Mark at boostly.co.uk, and you can find me at boostlyuk on all the other socials. So thank you very much for tuning into today. And this is my opinion on why I think Airbnb are going to win the online travel agent market. As always, I'll be back tomorrow with tactics, tips, training, all those cool stuff to help you get more direct bookings. Until then, stay proactive, don't be reactive, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.